In this video, we will see how to load and visualize DICOM RT data in MeVisLab as contours and semi-transparent overlays. DICOM RT files are essential in radiotherapy treatment planning. In this case, they include CT data, RT structure set, RT dose and RT plan objects. The dataset we are using can be downloaded. The link is available in the comment. This data is for educational and scientific exchange only and not for sales or promotional use. Add the module DICOM import to your workspace. Extract the data and select the downloaded directory. In order to see the images, add a View2D module and connect it to the DICOM import module. Select the DICOM CT series. It is shown in your viewer. We now want to view the CT images and the RT struct data together. The module DICOM import only allows to select one single object. In order to select more than one object, we use a DICOM import extra output module. You have to select the correct index for the RT struct. In our example it is index 2. Add an extract RT struct module to the DICOM import extra output to convert RT struct data into MeVisLab contours, CSOs. CSOs allow to visualize the contours on the CT scan and to interact with them in MeVisLab. Add a View2D CSO extensible editor module to enable visualization and interaction with the CSOs in the 2D viewer. We want to display the names for the contours available in the RT struct file to identify the segmented structure. Use the CSO label renderer module to show labels, for example, bladder or prostate, next to each contour. By default, the ID of the contours is rendered. Open the panel of the CSO label renderer and change the label string parameter as seen in the video. Then press Apply. The name of the structure is defined in the group of each CSO. We now show the label of the group next to the contour. Add a CSO label placement global module to define a better readable location of these labels. The module CSO label placement global implements an automatic label placement strategy that considers all CSOs on a slice. The contours can also be shown in 3D. Add ASO CSO 3D renderer and ASO examiner viewer module and connect them to the extract RT struct module. The SO CSO 3D renderer will render the contours into the SO examiner viewer. We now want to show the RT dose data as provided for the patient as a semi-transparent, colored overlay. Add another DICOM import extra output module to get the RT dose object. Again, select the correct index. In this case, we select index 4. Add a min-max scan module to scan the input image and calculate the minimum and maximum values of the image. Connect it with the DICOM import extra output module. Add a histogram and ASO LUT editor module to calculate the image's intensity distribution and define a colored lookup table for the overlay. Change update mode of the histogram module to auto update. Open the panel of the ASO LUT editor module and go to tab range. Click update range from histogram to apply the histogram values for the range of the lookup table. On tab editor, define a lookup table as seen in the video. The lookup table shall be used for showing the RT dose data as a semi-transparent overlay on the CT image. Add ASO View2D overlay and ASO group module to your network. Replace the input of the View2D module from the SO View2D CSO extensible editor with the SO group. If you want to visualize the RT struct contours together with the RT dose overlay, connect the SO View2D CSO extensible editor module and the SO group module. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.